was thinking about getting another grill. I got my mold already ready from this grill that I got.
Grill, jewelry, drugs, home, bitches, pussy, yeah, whatever you fucking want, all that. X-Pills, all that shit.
If you getting hoes selling dope on the fucking track, if you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack, go and break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got G, well, smoke a sack for me. If you getting hoes selling dope on the fucking track, if you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack, go and break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got G, well, smoke a sack for me.
sure thinking about getting another grill. I got my mold already ready from this grill that I got.
Grills, jewelry, drugs, phones, bitches, pussy. Yeah, whatever you fucking want, all that. X pills, all that shit.
If you pimpin' hoes, selling dope on the fucking track. If you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack. Go and break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got weed, well, smoke a sack for me. If you pimpin' hoes, selling dope on the fucking track. If you got some chronic right now, smoke, you a sack. Go and break a bitch, make her make your money, make it G. If you got weed, well, smoke a sack for me.
Down with triple six and SPG, but you don't hit me though. Down with triple six and SPG.